After you extracted the zip archive, drag and drop the RenameTool folder in the specified directory. Go to Maya. Open the script editor window and make sure the tab is set to Python. Locate the RenameTool UI.py file and drag it into the editor. Select all and middle mouse drag it into the shelf to create a shelf button. You can also hit Ctrl Enter to execute the script once. This tool allows for replacing and renaming objects in the outliner. It is case sensitive and can only use characters which are allowed in the outliner, meaning only alphabetic and numeric as well as underscore. Invalid characters will be converted to underscores. Both functions can be used on selected objects in the same hierarchy, or even all objects in the scene, which can be alternated under Manipulate. The rename function in the lower half of the tool allows for adding prefixes and suffixes as well as an auto-suffix function, which is a tool for adding a short name for the node type of an object. For example, a mesh node gets a geosuffix. You can also number your selected objects. Please read the README for additional information.